Hello students, I welcome all of you in this English class. Dear students, as you already know that we were studying a beautiful story, The Necklace, from your English textbook Tulip series, class 10th. This is a very beautiful and an interesting story. So what we studied earlier, let's quickly revise. Matilda Loisel, the main character of this story. She is a very beautiful, young and charming lady, but she is a middle class woman who always wishes she were rich. She is never happy with what she has. वो खुश नहीं होती थी, वो कहती थी मुझे बहुत अमीर बनना है, right? Then after receiving a party invitation from her husband's office, Matilda cries over having nothing to wear. So her husband gives up his savings. How much? Yes, 400 francs for a dress. Still, she is unhappy because she borrows a diamond necklace from her friend Madame Forestier. She was unhappy, बहुत नाखुश थी कि अभी ड्रेस तो है but I don't have any jewelry. So that's why she borrowed a necklace, diamond necklace from her friend. But after the party, the necklace goes missing and despite searching everywhere, they can't find it. They search everywhere. हर जगह जाकर उन्होंने देखा but they didn't find it. Then Mr. Loisel goes out on foot to search, contacts the police, cab offices and even puts an advertisement in the newspaper offering a reward. कि जिसे वो नेकलेस मिलेगा और हमें जो रिटर्न करेगा we will give him a reward. But all in vain. उसका कुछ भी फायदा नहीं हुआ. Then after a week, with no hope, they decide to replace the necklace with a new one. उन्होंने सोचा कि अब हम मैडम फॉरेस्टियर को एक नया नेकलेस लेकर देंगे. Then to repay the huge debt, the couple sacrifices their comfortable life and Matilda starts doing all the hard household work. मैटिल्डा जो बहुत ही चार्मिंग लेडी थी, जो अमीर बनना चाहती थी, जो शी वांट टू लिव अ लग्जूरियस लाइफ, बट इन स्पाइट ऑफ ऑल दीज शी स्टार्टेड डूइंग ऑल द हाउस होल्ड चोर्स एंड ऑल वर्क हरसेल्फ. उसे अपना सारा घर का काम फिर खुद ही करना पड़ा. सो इन शॉर्ट, द लॉस ऑफ द नेकलेस टर्न्स देयर कंफर्टेबल लाइफ इनटू one of poverty and endless hardship. कि एक नेकलेस खोने से, एक मिस्टेक होने से उनकी जो सारी जिंदगी थी, it become a hell. Now see what happened next in the story. And clothed like a woman of the people, she went to the grocers, the butchers and the fruiters with her basket on her arm, shopping, haggling to the last sou of her miserable money. The husband worked evenings, putting the books of some merchants in order, and nights he often did copying at 5 sous a page. And this life lasted for 10 years. At the end of 10 years, they had restored all. Madame Loisel seemed old now. She had become a strong, hard woman, the crude woman of the poor household. Her hair badly dressed, her skirts sorry, her hands red. She spoke in a loud tone and washed the floors with large pails of water. But sometimes, when her husband was at the office, she would seat herself before the window and think of that evening party of former times of that ball where she was so beautiful and so flattered. So as we go through these lines, we come to know that what happened, that Matilda wore the cloth like a common woman. Then she went to the grocers, the butchers, the fruiterer's shop. मीन्स घर की सारी जो ग्रोसरी थी, जो भी चीजें लाने के लिए, वो अपनी आर्म के अंदर बास्केट उठाकर वो मार्केट में जाती और सारी शॉपिंग खुद करती. एंड हैगलिंग टू द लास्ट सू ऑफ मिजरेबल मनी. हैगलिंग मीन्स बार्गेनिंग. जो हम बार्गेनिंग करते हैं ना, इतने का नहीं इतना दो, दोनों का प्राइस सेट करने के लिए, दैट इज हैगलिंग. टू द लास्ट सू ऑफ हर मिजरेबल मनी. जो बहुत कम मनी थी उसके पास. सू मीन्स अ सू वॉज अ स्मॉल फ्रेंच कॉइन यूज्ड इन द पास्ट वर्थ वेरी लिटिल मनी. फ्रेंच में पहले सू यूज की जाती थी, ठीक है, और वो दैट इज अ वेरी स्मॉल अमाउंट मनी, बहुत कम जिसे पैसे बोलते थे वो था सू, उसको हम सू कहते हैं. तो दैट्स वाई वो अपनी जो बिल्कुल जो उसके बाद थोड़ी सी मनी होती थी वो उसको स्पेंड करती. द हस्बैंड वर्क इवनिंग्स. मैटिल्डा हस्बैंड वर्क इवन इवनिंग एंड इन द नाइट, putting the books of some merchants in order. किसी की किताबें ठीक करते थे. And nights he often copying at 5 sous. He got only 5 sous for doing all this work. And this life lasted for 10 years. उनकी लाइफ के जो 10 years थे वो इसमें चले गए. At the end of 10 years, they had restored all. और 10 सालों में उन्होंने अपना सारा जो डेट, जो लोन लिया था, वो खत्म किया. बट मैडम लॉइजल सीम्ड ओल्ड नाउ. वो एक बहुत ओल्ड लेडी लगना शुरू हो गई थी. एज वी नो दैट मैटिल्डा लॉइजल, मैडम लॉइजल इज अ वेरी स्वीट लेडी. बहुत सुंदर है वो, बहुत. और हमने कहानियों में इस स्टोरी के अंदर हमने देखा. In the beginning of the story, she was a very beautiful lady, but now she seemed old now. She had become a strong, hard woman, the crude woman of the poor household. Crude woman means a woman who is rough, unpolished, or lacking good manners. means to say बहुत unpolished, untidy सी वो रहने लगी. वो सच सवर के नहीं रहती थी. जो आम जैसे लेडीज होती हैं, तो उनकी तरह वो, जिनके पास जो बहुत तैयार होके सच सवर कर नहीं रहती, वो उसकी हालत, उसकी कंडीशन वैसी हो गई थी. Then her hair badly dressed, her skirts ori means twisted, are not properly arranged, mean प्रेस नहीं किया हुआ था, कहीं से मुड़े हुए थे. इस तरह की ड्रेसेस उसने पहनना शुरू कर दिया था. शी स्पोक इन अ लाउड टोन. बहुत जोर जोर से, क्योंकि इरिटेट हो गई थी, वो फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गई थी फ्रॉम हर लाइफ. देन शी स्पोक इन अ लाउड टोन. बहुत जोर से बोलना शुरू कर दिया. एंड वॉश द फ्लोर्स विद लार्ज पेल्स ऑफ वाटर. पेल्स मीन बकेट ऑफ वाटर, और मीन्स शी वॉज डूइंग ऑल हार्ड वर्क. वो बहुत सारा जितना भी हार्ड वर्क था वो कर रही थी. So, but sometime when her husband was at the office, she would see herself before the window and thought and think. क्या सोचती थी वो? That evening party. और वो realize करती थी, remind करती थी how beautiful she was at that time, and everyone get admired from her beauty. हर कोई उससे admired भी हुआ था. तो कभी कभी वो बैठ के अपनी पुरानी यादों को भी ताज़ा करती. Now let's see what happened next. How would it have been if she had not lost the necklace? Who knows? How singular is life and how full of changes? How small a thing will ruin or save one? One Sunday, as she was taking a walk in the Champs Elysees, to rid herself of the cares of the week, she suddenly perceived a woman walking with a child. It was Madame Forestier, still young, still pretty, and still attractive. Madame Loisel was affected. Should she speak to her? Yes, certainly. And now that she had paid, she would tell her all. Why not? She approached her. Good morning, Jeannie. Okay. What happened? One Sunday, she was taking a walk in the Champs-Élysées. Champs-Élysées, it is a famous place in Paris, known for its shops, cafes, theaters, and beautiful views. This is a picture of Champs-Élysées, and it is in Paris. Paris की ये beautiful place है. तो वन संडे एक संडे के दिन वो वहां पे वॉक कर रही थी, एंड बिफोर दैट अपने मन में उसके बड़े सारे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं कि हाउ वुड इट हैव बीन इफ शी हैड नॉट लॉस्ट द नेकलेस. उसकी लाइफ कैसे होती है ना, हु नोज, कि अगर वो नेकलेस गुम नहीं होता या फिर उसने नेकलेस अपनी फ्रेंड से नहीं लिया होता तो हर लाइफ वुड बी बिकम डिफरेंट. उसकी अलग से उसकी लाइफ हो सकती थी. बट destiny is something else. So one Sunday she was taking a walk in the Champs-Élysées to rid herself of the cares of the week. She suddenly perceived a woman walking with a child. She saw a woman, and that woman was walking with a child. It was Madame Forestier. Who was she? She was Madame Forestier, Matilda's friend. Whom she? Yes, जिससे उन्होंने नेकलेस पहनने को लिया था. So, and Madame Forestier was still young, pretty, and attractive. She was attractive at that time. But Madame Loisel was affected. Should she speak to her? वो अपने मन में सोचती है कि मुझे इससे बात करनी चाहिए. Then अपने मन में कहती yes, why not? Now she had paid. She would tell her all. मुझे उसको सारी चीजें ये बतानी है. Then she approached her. She went to Madame Forestier and said, "Good morning, Jeannie." Jeannie Madame Forestier का एक pet name था. Okay, so let's see what happened next. Her friend did not recognize her and was astonished to be so familiarly addressed by this common personage. She stammered, "But madam, I do not know. You must be mistaken." "No, I am Matilda Loisel." Her friend uttered a cry of astonishment. "Oh, my poor Matilda, how you have changed." "Yes, I have had some hard days since I saw you, and some miserable ones. And all because of you." "Because of me? How is that?" "You recall the diamond necklace that you loaned me to wear to the minister's ball." So what happened? Her friend didn't recognize her. Madame Forestier didn't recognize Madame Loisel, Matilda Loisel. उन्होंने उसको नहीं पहचाना. And बट उसके तो उसने घर के नाम से बुलाया था, इसलिए थोड़ी सी एस्टॉनिश हो गई. एस्टॉनिश मीन्स सरप्राइज्ड और अमेज्ड. सो शी सेड, "आई डोंट नो, यू मस्ट बी मिस्टेकन." मैडम फॉरेस्टर मटिल्डा को कहती हैं, "आई डोंट नो हु आर यू, यू आर मिस्टेकन, तुम्हें कुछ मिस्टेक हुई है." देन मटिल्डा सेड, "नो, आई एम Matilda Loisel." एंड आफ्टर लिसनिंग दिस, Madame Forestier cried and said, "Oh my poor Matilda, how you have changed. आप इतना change कैसे हुई?" Then she said, "I have had some hard days and it is only because of you. मैं तुम्हारे कारण मेरे को इतना change आया है." Then Madame Forestier said, "Because of me? How?" कहती मेरे से कैसे? Then she recalled the diamond necklace that you recall the diamond necklace that you loaned me to wear to the minister's ball. तो वो उसको सारी स्टोरी रिकॉल करवाती है जो उसके साथ डायमंड नेकलेस लेने के बाद हुई थी। मिजरेबल मीन्स very unhappy, sad or comfortable. Okay, now let's go to another paragraph of the story, and this is the last paragraph. Yes, very well. Well, I lost it. How is that, since you returned it to me? तो वो मैडम फॉरेस्टर सेड कि आपने तो मुझे वो नेकलेस वापस कर दिया था, है ना? देन हाउ यू लॉस्ट इट? आई रिटर्न अनदर टू यू एग्जैक्टली लाइक इट एंड इट हैज टेकन अस 10 years to pay for it. She said, I changed the necklace. I bought a new necklace for you, and for that it takes my 10 years life. मेरी 10 साल की जिंदगी इसके पीछे रून हो गई, तबाह हो गई. You can understand that it was not easy for us who have nothing, because Madame Forestier knows the basic जो उसकी situation थी. She knows कि जो लॉइजल है, मैटिल्डा लॉइजल है, उसकी कंडीशन क्या है. That's why she said, तुम जानती हो कि मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं था और मुझे उसके बाद इतना पैसा, इतना अमाउंट देना पड़ा. But it is finished and I am decently content. Madame Forestier stopped short. She stopped for a while and said, you say that you bought a diamond necklace to replace mine? बहुत सरप्राइजिंग वे में कहती है कि you bought a diamond necklace for replace mine one? Yes, you did not perceive it then. They were just alike. तो what Matilda said? Yes, क्योंकि मैंने वैसा ही सेम तुम्हें नेकलेस लेके दिया था. That's why उस समय तुम्हें इस चीज का पता नहीं चला था. And she smiled with proud and simple joy. But Madame Forestier was touched and took both her hands as she replied. इतनी बात सुन के वो बहुत अंदर से टच सा फील करती है, उसे अपने आप में बहुत एक अजीब तरह सी फीलिंग्स आती हैं. एंड शी टुक द मैडम मैटिल्डा's both her hands in her hand. दोनों हाथ उसके अपने हाथ में लेके कहती है, Oh my poor Matilda, mine were false. जो मेरा नेकलेस था वो क्या था? फॉल्स था. They were not worth over 500 francs. उसकी जो कास्ट थी वो 500 francs से ज्यादा नहीं थी. So this was a beautiful story, The Necklace. How was the story? Hope you enjoyed this. And from this story, we learned so much. Right? Am I right? Okay. Let's see what we learned from this story. Okay? Be satisfied with what you have. Always be satisfied. Always feel contented with what you already have. Okay? Then pride and greed can lead to suffering. जो हमारा प्राउड होता है, जो हमारी ग्रीड होती है फालतू की चीजों के लिए, है ना? Sometimes we start doing that. So that leads to only suffering. So keep in mind, pride and greed can lead to always a suffering, frustration. Next, honesty is important because hiding the truth can create bigger problems. If we start hiding truth from reality, है ना? रियलिटी में अगर हम सच्चाई को छुपाना बंद कर देंगे, if we trying to hide these things, then it create problems for us. And this story teaches that appearances and material desire are often misleading. What? Appearances and material desire. Extra. And this leads to हमें किस तरफ लेके जाती हैं? ये मिसलीड करती हैं, हमें लाइफ की रियलिटी की तरफ लेकर नहीं जाते. एंड वी ऑलवेज फॉलो ए रॉन्ग पाथ. सो आवर लाइफ इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय अस. हमारी जिंदगी को हम अपने में कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. So adopt one thing, one principle in your life, and that is simple living and high thinking. This principle, according to me, this principle leads a happy life. So this is all about story. Now let's do some textual questions. The first question is, the course of the Liesel's life changes due to the necklace. Comment. Everyone knows how the Matilda Liesel life changes because of the necklace. Because of the lost necklace, the lives of Mr. and Mrs. Liesel completely changed for the worst. Worst life उनकी हो चुकी थी. They had to work very hard for 10 long years just to repay the debt. Loan return करने के लिए उनको hard work करना पड़ा. कितना time? Almost 10 years. And they gave up their comfortable life and lived in poverty. This all happened because of Matilda pride and desire to look rich, because she doesn't feel contented. That's why they have to live a poor life. Clear? Now second question hai, what was the cause of Matilda's ruin? How could she have avoided it? Think for a while. Okay, let's know. Matilda was ruined because she always wanted to look richer than she actually was. She couldn't accept her simple life. She couldn't accept her simple life if she had been honest with her friend Madame Forestier and told her that the necklace was lost. She could have easily avoided 10 years of pain and poverty. Yes, अगर वो honestly अपनी friend को जाके simple इतना बोल देती कि my dear friend, I have lost your necklace, then things will be different. What would have happened to Matilda if she had confessed to her friend that she had lost her necklace? तब क्या होता? If Matilda had simply told the truth to the friend, Madame Forestier would have told her that. जैसे कि लास्ट में स्टोरी में उन्होंने बताया भी है कि my necklace was not real and was worth a very little money. Okay, so this would have saved Matilda and her husband from years of unnecessary suffering, hard work and poverty. Then the situation will be different. Then the situation would be different. So these are your textual questions. Now let's see other questions. Now look at this question. Draw a character sketch of Matilda. This is a very important question from the examination point of view, and you have to do it yourself. खुद से आप करेंगे ये. And next two questions are for your homework. What are the things that are important to you to make you happy in life? This is your imagination, so do it yourself. Then the story is interesting because of the surprise ending. Do you propose a different ending to the story? If yes, if no, even then try and think of another ending. And be creative. So this is all about the story, The Necklace. I hope you enjoyed this story. Till then, we will meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.